Does it matter? It's a good question. I've been asked, what is estate planning and why does it matter? If something unexpected happened to you tomorrow, would your family know exactly what to do? Would your family know who is in charge of your finances? Would any member of your family know who receives your property? Would any member of your family know how to access your bank accounts, your financial accounts, your IRA, your 401k, your home, your retirement, your savings? For many families, the answer is no. They simply don't know what to do. And that's exactly why estate planning matters. Estate planning is simply the process of deciding what happens to your assets, your responsibilities, and your family if something happens to you. It allows you to decide who inherits your property, who manages your finances if you become incapacitated, and who takes care of your children if they're still minors. Without an estate plan, those decisions are not made by you. In fact, often they're made by a judge in a court. They are made by state law. In Utah, when someone dies without a will or an estate plan, the distribution of their property is governed by the Utah Code, which covers what we call intestate succession. Intestate means you die without a will. To make a testament is to testate. Intestate means without a will. Succession means who follows you. So what happens after you if you don't have a will? Specifically, Utah Code Section 75-2-101 through 75-2-114 outline how property is distributed when someone dies without a will, or what we call intestate succession. These laws determine who inherits your estate, but the law doesn't know you, doesn't know your family. The law does not know your wishes. The law does not know which child needs more support, which family member you trust most, or how you would want your property handled. It simply follows a formula. Estate planning allows you to replace that formula with your own instructions. Another important issue about estate planning that is addressed by estate planning is probate. You see, probate is the legal process used to administer someone's estate after they've passed away. Probate means you've died and we need your signature on a document to transfer the ownership of that asset, whatever that asset is, but you're no longer alive to sign that piece of paper. In Utah, probate procedures are governed by Utah Code Title 75, Chapter 3. During probate, a court supervises the distribution of assets, ensures that debts are paid, and authorizes the transfer of property. Even though Utah probate is generally more streamlined than some states, it still requires court filings, documentation, and you need to follow legal procedures and processes. So for many families, avoiding unnecessary court involvement is an important goal. Estate planning tools like trusts, beneficiary designation forms, and coordinated ownership structures, they can help accomplish that. Estate planning is also about planning for incapacity. If someone becomes unable to manage their own affairs due to illness, injury, decisions need to be made. Without proper documents in place, family members may have to ask the court to appoint a guardian or conservator. In Utah, guardianship and conservatorship proceedings, they're governed by Utah Code Title 75-5. Those court proceedings can be expensive, they can be time-consuming, and they can be very stressful for families. Proper planning allows you to appoint someone that you trust ahead of time. Estate planning documents typically include a will, trust in many cases, a power of attorney for financial decisions, and healthcare directives. So those 4 documents are the ones you're looking at. Now, proper planning allows you to appoint somebody ahead of time. So each document serves a specific purpose and in protecting you and your family. Estate planning ultimately comes down to control. Do you want to control the outcome? Do you want the law deciding what happens to your family, or do you want to decide that for yourself? Look, if you want help creating an estate plan, you need something to protect your family, your assets, you can call me. I'm attorney Jeremy Eveland. My number is 801-613-1472. You can also click in the description link below and complete the short application to see if we'd be a good fit to work together. Hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching.